Hi everyone, Satar Ali here again with five most important words in French in Imparfait. Many of you must be knowing what Imparfait is, right? Imparfait is a past tense, one of the past tenses in French, where it can mean something used to happen in the past. In the past, it used to happen. We are not talking about something is happening now, something goes on right now, something used to happen in the past. And another thing, something was happening in the past, was going on. Okay, if I'm telling you, I was in France 2 years ago. It was a state and it's a long period. Okay, there I can use imparfait. And another thing, I had a lot of friends when I was in France. There also I can use imparfait. It can also mean I used to have a lot of friends. If you say that I used to go to Lyon, then you can use imparfait. You can also say I was going to Lyon when you called me. That time also you can say imparfait. So both meaning can come in French for imparfait. So now we will come to the application part. These things you already know. If you don't understand about the pronouns and all, you please go through my previous lessons about five most important verbs in French in present tense. Okay. I, you, he, she, we, you, they, and je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Now let us see the conjugation. Être, avoir, aller, venir, faire. Now I'm going to conjugate être verbe. Le verbe être. Être becomes était in je. With the pronoun je, it becomes était. And je, here there will be a contraction and e will be removed. Then you will put an apostrophe here. Then together we will pronounce it as j'étais, not je étais. It is j'étais. This e will be removed. Tu étais, il était, elle était. Pronunciation of all these things are same. Now here, nous étions, vous étiez, ils étaient, elles étaient. J'étais, tu étais, il était, nous étions, vous étiez, ils étaient, elles étaient. Now our, here also we have another vowel over here starting with a vowel, so this e will be removed here. Here we had a vowel, that is why we removed e. Here we have a vowel a, we removed e. So j'avais, not je avais, it is j'avais. Tu avais, il avait, elle avait, nous avions, vous aviez, ils avaient, elles avaient. Here it is not etai, etend or something in French, it is a only. These three and this one, they all have the same pronunciation. Ete, 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 ete. Ave, 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 ave. So you don't need to be bothered about this e and t part. So it is just only ave. Okay. Now again we have a vowel here, so we are removing e. Now it is j'allais, j'allais, tu allais, il allait, elle allait, nous allions, vous alliez, ils allaient, elles allaient. Again see, était, avait, allait. Okay. Venir, to come. Now we don't have a vowel here, so we need to pronounce this part. E should be there, so it becomes je. It is not je, it is je. Je venais, tu venais, il venait, elle venait, nous venions, vous veniez, il venait, elle venait. Okay. Now, faire, we have two meanings here. In different contexts, we will be having different kind of meanings. But here we have two main meanings, that is to do and to make. We don't have a vowel, so we pronounce this E, je. Je faisais, tu faisais, il faisait, elle faisait, nous faisions, vous faisiez, il faisait, elle faisait. Clear? This is how we conjugate imparfait with these 5 most important verbs in French. And let us see the meanings of that. Here when I say j'étais, it can mean I was, or I used to be. As I said, j'étais en France. I was in France, or I used to be in France. Then when you're saying j'avais un chien, it means I had a dog, or I used to have a dog. When you're saying j'allais au supermarché, when you say j'allais au supermarché, it means I used to go to supermarket, or I was going to supermarket, depending on the context. It doesn't mean that you can use wherever you like. Depending on the context, you can use I used to go or I was going. Okay. Simply, I will give you an idea. Like when I was in Paris, quand j'étais à Paris, I was saying that j'allais au supermarché. I used to go to supermarket. But when you're saying I was going to supermarket when you called me, j'allais au supermarché quand tu m'as appelé. Tu m'as appelé. Is that clear? So when you called me, I was going to supermarket. That is it. Now here it is je venais, I used to come. Yeah, je venais can be I used to come. Je venais ici. I used to come here. Je venais ici. I was coming here. Depending on the context. Okay. Now here I used to do and I was doing the same thing here. Faire du shopping. Faire du vélo. So je faisais du shopping. I was doing shopping. Or you can say in the past, je faisais du shopping. I used to do shopping. This is what imparfait is. So now you know the construction of imparfait with these 5 important verbs, and at the same time you know the meanings of it, and we will be having kind of explanations in our other lessons. Here in this we are learning the conjugation. So hope you understood well. Thank you very much. Bye bye. A bientôt.